So if you are farming the Berachain airdrop, you can go ahead and farm the Zoth airdrop for absolutely free. Now Zoth is basically a portal for real world assets, and currently real world assets is a hot narrative in cryptocurrency. So currently there is very less competition on the Zoth network in order to go ahead and farm their airdrop. So I will exactly go ahead and show you how you can do it on the Berachain and on some other networks. So the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to swap some bera for honey. Now once you have honey over here, you will need to go to rewards.zoth.io, links in the description, and you can go ahead and basically you can use my sign up referral code over here by inputting over here. It really supports my channel. Now once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to complete some basic activities over here. So these are some of the social tasks that you can go ahead and complete. The tasks are pretty simple. You have to connect your Discord, you have to connect your Twitter and follow them on Twitter, and some few other tasks over here. Now once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to go over here and click on transact over here and click on Berachain testnet. Now over here you will need to select honey and select the amount that you want to go ahead and deposit. So currently my honey balance is only 4, but I have already deposited around $130 worth of liquidity. Now once you press on deposit, it might take some time for the transaction to go through, as there might be some chain load on Berachain network. So all you have to do is once you do this, you can keep doing this almost every day and climb up the leaderboard. So as you can see, you can earn some points over here and also collect some batches. So this is yield, maxi batch, social ninja, this referral batch, and then there would be a multi-chain batch as well. So basically this multi-chain batch can be earned if you have transacted on Zoth network on Metis, Booga or Polygon network. So if we go to Zoth over here, as you can see, it's a portal for real world assets, and they have this institutional grades fixed income products. Now if I go ahead and click on invest now over here, as you can see, we can start investing. Now some of the products are coming soon. So there are US treasury bills and emerging national sovereign bonds, and then there is something called as a trade financial receivables. Now this is giving a fixed APY of around 12%, and the tenure is like 90 days. And if we click on this, as you can see, the kind of networks is like Metis, Booga and Polygon, which I've already told you. Now if we click on this, basically you can go ahead and deposit it for like 30 days, 60 days, 90, 120 or 365, and the pool investment is like around 100,000. Now Zoth is basically a decentralized platform that enables anyone in the world to access low risk private credit products from emerging markets such as India, Middle East, APAC and Latin America. So if you want to have something more secured like bonds and this institutional products, then you can go ahead and maybe like invest a small amount just to check it on Metis, Booga or Polygon network. And once you do that, you will be able to get this batch over here. Now I haven't gone and actually deposited on Metis, Booga or Polygon, but I'm thinking of depositing a small amount of USDT on the Metis network just in case. And potentially this airdrop should be a decent airdrop, and currently you can take the advantage if you're already farming on the Berachain network. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.